U.S.-built Javelin knows its enemy.
Tanks and other armored vehicles that have long-range weapons and that are very, very difficult to kill or disable. And it will kill any known armor in the world today.
More than anything else, the Javelin's success is down to the fact that once fired, it almost guarantees a kill every time.
A 95% hit rate at 2,500 meters and beyond is something very new and very different for our infantrymen.
Here's how it achieves such an incredible strike ratio.
First is our image and infrared sensor. Next, that is controlled by the tracker, and then the software then provides the commands to the CAS to steer us to the target.
He sees the target, he looks at his little screen, and he builds a box around that target on his screen, and he narrows it down, narrows it down, and narrows it down, and then he passes it to the missile and pulls the trigger and launches it.
The U.S. Javelin has two different ways of taking out its targets.
Direct attack, which is where the missile flies directly from the launch unit to the target and hits the target head-on.
This is mainly for exposed line-of-sight targets, bunkers, buildings, vehicles, just about anything. If you can see it, you can hit it. But what if a target is hidden in a valley or by a ridge? That's when the Javelin really comes into its own with its main firing mode, called top attack.
The missile leaves the launch unit, gains altitude, and comes in on its target from a nearly vertical angle of attack.
And it just so happens that most tanks are vulnerable to attack from above. Even if they're equipped with explosive reactive armor designed to defeat rockets and shape charges, the Javelin warhead has enough destructive power to break through. Carrying a payload of just over 33 pounds, the entire Javelin weighs just half that again, and it's shorter than some sniper rifles. It gives a single ground troop the same firepower as heavy artillery.